Welcome! In this tutorial, you're going to learn how to make the most out of Devialet Gemini II using the mobile app. To customize your experience, download the Devialet Gemini application on your application store. Create your account and set up Devialet Gemini II. Choose what's best for any situation between adaptive noise cancellation and the transparency mode. Monitor the battery level of both the charging case and the earbuds. To check the battery level of the charging case, place your earbuds inside it and leave the cover open. Access the earbuds setting to customize your experience. Enjoy a 6-band equalizer with presets to listen to your music the way you like. Customize every touch controls of each earbud according to your preference. Disable Smart Pause if you want your earbuds to continue playing even when out of your ears. Stay up to date with the latest software and firmware updates for Devialet Gemini II. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you have a great time using Devialet Gemini II.